Hello everybody, I'm Willy Wonka. Welcome to my chocolate factory. Will you just come over here please? Thank you all. Thank you all for coming to my chocolate factory. Can you just give me your golden ticket and we will begin the tour. Everybody fine? Yes? On we go! Now, could you just sign on the dotted line? If everybody's signed and ready, let's get on our way. Just through the other door, please.
Where's the door?
Yeah, where's the door?
Found it.
Willy's!
Come on. Found it.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the chocolate room. Come with me, and you'll see in a world of pure imagination. Enjoy. Having fun? Enjoy my chocolate factory.
Oh yeah, we're having fun. I'm kind of all sugared out though. What about you, old Charlie?
Whoa!
He's having fun.
Whoa!
Yep.
Whoa!
Okay.
I'm glad you're having fun, but... Can I be serious, Doctor? I need to talk to you alone.
Alright, let's go into your office. I'll be back in a minute!
Woo!
You're gonna have fun.
So much chocolate, so little time!
Yes, we know.
Please have a seat.
Okay. What's up?
Well, we've been having hundreds of candies are getting lost each day, and I think it's Slugworth and his crazy schemes about stealing my chocolate for his own. So, can you please help me?
Of course, 2 words I never refuse.
Yeah. Well, I'm really desperate. I just need someone to help me with my chocolate factory to keep it up and running. And last week I saw a gray hair, so I can't run this chocolate factory by myself, so I'm asking you one question. Can you, when I pass on, can you run the chocolate factory for me?
Well, here's the thing. I've got wars to go through. You know, since I'm a Time Lord and all.
Yeah.
I've got battles I have to do.
Yeah, but I was just finding someone to run the chocolate factory while I pass on.
I know who could do it.
Who?
I've got the perfect man for the job.
Who?
Well, since he hasn't been doing missions at all for how many years, maybe James Bond can take over.
James Bond.
Yeah.
He's running my chocolate factory?
Yeah.
Deal.
He's the only guy I can think of.
Goodbye, my love.
doing?
Come on, dude. Steal some candy.
Put the candy.
Wonka's passed on, so this is all...
Put the candy down.
Come on.
Do it! Or I'll shoot.
Come on. Come on. But Wonka's gone. The candy's all ours.
Wonder how that James Bond is doing.
Yes, he is doing a good job. But I kind of miss him.
And Miss Wonka too. Oh, hello you guys. What's up? Just coming to check out, see how you're doing. Isn't that right, old Charlie?
Hey, he's over there.
Alright, we can see why I didn't sleep. But, just got back from funeral. How's the chocolate factory? Yeah, the chocolate factory's fine. Just got done catching, that candy bloke.
Slugworth!
Slugworth, thank you. From, trying to steal our candy. He was the one stealing our candy. But,
I got bingo.
got bingo.